Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Mary. I am going to share my nighttime skincare routine in this video, so continue watching. Since the past couple of weeks I have been posting more of skincare related videos, and that is because of the current situation going on. I thought it would be more relevant to share some skincare related stuff. I will be posting a lot of makeup related content as well. Before I start my routine, if I have applied makeup on my face, then I use an oil cleanser before going with my face wash. So I have shown this product in my previous video as well. This is in Veda cleansing oil. I use this cleansing oil to take off my makeup, so I'm going to do that now. I take off the makeup of the whole face and the neck, and in the end I apply it over my eyes to take off the mascara. Today I have just recorded a video before this, and I had applied very light makeup, so wouldn't be a problem to take it off. It's not much, so I have taken little. I have not taken a lot of cleansing oil. I'm going to rinse off my face of this cleansing oil and then use a face wash. The face wash that I will be using is this mamaearth tea tree face wash. It's good for oily, acne prone skin. I have already washed my face. Now I will be using the moisturizers. I have shown a moisturizer in some of my previous videos, which is this mamaearth oil free moisturizer. It is almost over, so I decided to switch back to my old moisturizer, which is extremely great for the summer season because my skin is very oily, and the mamaearth moisturizer was a bit heavy for my skin, so I decided to switch back to my previous one, which is this aromamagic. It's a big bottle oil free moisturizer. It comes in two variants, 100 ml and 200 ml. I decided to go directly for the 200 ml variant because I have used it before I finished that bottle and I loved it, so I directly purchased the 200 ml one. It's an oil-free moisturizer. It's a water-based moisturizer. It's extremely, it's great for people with extremely oily skin, and it's very, it has a very liquidy consistency and texture. I'll show how it looks, and yeah, this is how it looks. Barely visible. As you can see, it's barely visible. It's very watery texture, and yeah, then I just tap it on the skin. It has a mild fragrance, but it does not have any artificial fragrance, due to which I purchased it, because I cannot use any moisturizer with artificial fragrance in it. That is why I have very few options when it comes to moisturizers. So I just lightly tap it on my skin, and that's it. It gets absorbed within 2 minutes. Because it's very lightweight, very watery. It's not suitable for people with dry skin, so I wouldn't recommend it. But if you have extremely oily skin, if you're looking for a good moisturizer, a good affordable moisturizer, this one is good. You should try it. That's it from this video. If you like this video, please do leave a like, share and subscribe to my channel. Do check out my other videos as well related to skincare, related to makeup. I have an entire playlist. You can check it out from the description box below, and please subscribe to my channel if you like my content, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.